There's something that you get with hands-on training here at the National RV Training Academy that you can't get on YouTube. You can't get from, reading books or watching videos online. They've got generator and solar classes, and there's so much that you learn in the fundamentals class that you just can't get anywhere else. So my name is Elliot. I am the co-owner and operator of Vanlife RV and off-grid services located in Phoenix, Arizona. For the past 2 years, our company has been doing electrical design, installs, upfitting, and troubleshooting for various electrical systems in the van life world primarily. In some of those travels, I met and had the privilege of meeting mobile RV techs that had come through the National RV Training Academy, and I had asked if I could shadow them on some of their jobs. It was a whole another dimension of knowledge that they had and that they were able to share with me. It really got me just craving more of that deeper knowledge of what's going on in RVs. And so I finally looked into it, the National RV Training Academy, and saw some of the programs they offered. And so I signed up for their RV Tech Fundamentals class, and I'm here currently going through that program. It's really something different when you get to come here, get your hands on with professionals that have been doing it much longer than I have. So my ultimate goal coming here with the National RV Training Academy is to become a certified RV technician. Due to my schedule, I can't come and do it all at once. I know that they offer straight through where you can come for 5 weeks and get your certification at the end. But they also offer the flexibility for people like me with a family to come and break it up into different sections and different budgets. And so the flexibility that the National RV Training Academy offers me to come and get that fundamental training that I need to excel in my business and for my customers and clients is just top notch, and you can't really find that anywhere else. If you find yourself watching videos on YouTube learning how your RV works or learning how different systems work, I think you're meant to be here.
Guys, the RV industry has never been more popular than it is right now, and it's never been so understaffed. We need thousands of technicians and inspectors just like you. Click the link below to learn more and get your future started today.